Quitting the 9 to 5, becoming your own boss, and working from wherever there's Wi-Fi is more appealing than ever these days. And when you're in a hurry to say adios to your day job and hello to earning an income online, as a web designer, it can be pretty tempting to skip over the basic foundations and head straight for the sexy money-making part. Many new designers will hear about other people charging $5,000 or $10,000 a website, or how they can earn passive income from selling Squarespace templates, and they want to know the quickest way to hop on board that gravy train. But what they're forgetting is that there was probably quite a few pretty important steps those other designers had to take along the way to get to where they are. So if your business has been feeling less like the cash cow you were dreaming about and more like a very expensive hobby, then it may be time to circle the wagons and revisit the 3 areas many new designers tend to overlook when setting up shop. Now, we are going to be touching on marketing your business and landing clients a little later on in this video, but if you've been struggling to know how to shout about your business and the best way for you to be consistently landing clients, then I actually want you to hit pause on this video and take my 45-second quiz that I created just for web designers. Answer the questions honestly to find out which client finding method matches your personality type that will have you attracting clients with ease. You can find that right here, but I'll also put the link to that in the description below for you. Alright, so let's dive into the 3 biggest mistakes that are keeping you from making money as a web designer. Mistake number 1, trying to fake it till you make it with your web design skills. Platforms like Squarespace make it so easy to drag and drop that pretty much anyone can learn how to build a website these days. But that's the problem. Anyone can do it. So if you're going to call yourself a web designer and charge pro designer rates for this service, you need to be able to do a hell of a lot more than just plug your client's photos and text into some pre-built template or layout. Otherwise, they may as well have just saved a couple $1,000s and DIY'd the thing themselves. You may be thinking, but Paige, my clients don't have time to DIY a website. That's where my services come in. And that is great, but trading hours for dollars is not an enticing enough reason to hire you. You're not just selling your time, you're selling your expertise and understanding the site building best practices, online buyer psychology, and conversion strategy that it takes to make sure that your client's website is actually set up to sell. You're selling the skill of being able to take any website, no matter what niche or industry your client is, and make it their ideal customer's happy place, a perfect reflection of their business and brand, not a perfect reflection of some website template. Nailing these foundational design skills is something I see so many designers skipping right over in the race to start landing clients to pay the bills. But faking it until you make it isn't going to work if you want to build a profitable business, no matter the type of creative service you provide. Let me give you an example. Say you're looking to have family photos done. You saved up long and hard for this investment and you are super excited to finally have a beautiful professional photo shoot of all the people you love. You mention your excitement to a friend and she tells you her sister-in-law is actually starting a photography business and that you should totally check her out. So you crack open Instagram to check out her work, but before her feed can even finish loading, you've already made your decision. There is no way you're hiring this lady with her photos looking like that. Yeah, she's just learning and you feel bad saying no, but no matter how cheap her prices are, you know you would never be proud to have that hang on your wall. So if you as a web designer have not invested the time and resources into developing your skills and gaining the understanding you need to build killer websites no matter the niche, then I promise you your potential clients are doing the same thing on your website. You deserve to make a killer living selling your services online, but your clients also deserve a website worthy of those designer rates. So if you're currently having trouble filling your calendar, this is the first place I would look. My favorite way to quickly master a skill is to look for the expert on that topic and find a way to learn from them directly, whether that's taking a course or joining a group coaching program, reading their book, reading their blog, whatever it is. You can skip over all the trial and error and those fraudy fake it till you make it feelings because you'll have access to that person's entire lifetime of hard-earned wisdom and insider secrets all wrapped up into one pretty little package. So, reason number 1 you may not be making money as a web designer could be that you haven't even invested in learning the skill that you're trying to sell. Okay, on to reason number 2, which is that you skipped over learning the right way to start your business and set up success for the long term. Back when I first launched my Square Secrets course and started hosting regular Q&A calls with the students inside the course, I was expecting all the questions to be, Paige, how do I change the color on this button? Or how do I do XYZ thing in Squarespace? But what actually happened was that I spent every single call answering question after question about how to turn their new Squarespace skills into an actual web design business. I realized that there really wasn't anywhere you could go online to learn about running a web design business, or how to deal with clients and packages and pricing your services and managing your finances and handling client contracts, and even something as simple as how much you should be paying yourself every single month from the profit you make in your business. Every single newbie designer out there wanted to be starting a business basically had to reinvent the wheel, costing them major time and money and headaches that could have honestly been avoided if they just had someone to show them the ropes. So I got to work creating my Square Secrets business course to teach them exactly how to do that. To this day, it's one of the biggest reasons I see that businesses wind up staying small and struggling. They never really bothered to invest the time or resources into learning how to create the processes and tools and templates that their business is begging them for. So every time it comes to respond to an inquiry or jump on a consult call or gather content from their client or even just get paid for their work, they're just winging it, making it up as they go along. And their clients notice. Being able to offer a seamless professional client experience is just as important as being able to deliver a top-notch website. They may love their finished site, but if the road to getting there was filled with chaos and confusion, you can guarantee you will never see a referral or a 5-star review from that client. I've seen too many talented designers get burnt out trying to reinvent the wheel and be left scratching their heads as to why they just can't seem to get their business off the ground, even though they feel like they're working on it all the time. So that is mistake number 2, neglecting to invest in the actual business building knowledge. So what is number 3? It's actually a lesson I had to learn the hard way myself, and that is having zero marketing game plan and therefore zero audience to sell to. When I first got started as a web designer, I decided I was going to host this great big birthday sale. If you book a website package with me the week during my birthday, you get a sweet discount on your website. So I sat down and poured my heart and soul into writing the best dang blog post you've ever seen, letting everyone know about the sale and hopefully drum up some business. Do you know how many people actually read that blog post? None. I'm pretty sure not even my mom knew about it. To be fair, I had only just launched my own website, so at that point I had genuinely zero traffic to my website. So it's no wonder I couldn't land any clients. I was shouting out about my services into an empty room. So this mistake number 3, I see even seasoned designers making. They may be a killer designer and may have nailed the actual business systems and client management part, but they lack the solid marketing plan needed to build up an actual audience of people to sell to. Without a focused strategy, they end up just doing whatever they see other designers doing. They may post a few Instagram posts here, write a blog post or 2 there, lurk in a handful of Facebook groups, waiting for an opportunity to land in their feed. They may start to see a few inquiries trickle in, but they are usually super random and not from the clients they were actually hoping to work for. So even if they do start to see some site traffic from ideal clients, if they aren't able to make a sale then and there and then, the very first time the person visits their website, they have zero plan or way to reach out to that person again in the future. It's possible to spend hours and hours a week dabbling in a bunch of different marketing techniques and never seeing results or land clients consistently. It wasn't until I chose one clear focus for marketing and did it with actual dedication and serious consistency that I started to see the dreamy client inquiries roll in. For me, that one thing was blogging. Now for you, it may be something entirely different and that's totally fine, but whatever you do, it has to be done consistently and with your exact ideal client in mind. Otherwise, you're just adding unnecessary work, and in the meantime, you're speaking to no one. So if you need help discovering which marketing focus makes the most sense for your business, then don't forget to take my 45-second quiz on finding clients, which I created just for designers for more effective ways to market their business. I'll send you personalized results along with the clear next steps and resources you need to get started implementing that strategy in your business so you can actually start attracting clients with ease. So those are the 3 big mistakes I see web designers making that keep them from earning money in their business. Skipping straight over the foundations of design, business, and marketing and heading straight to the sexy thing that they think will make them money. But the designers that you see out there killing it today are the ones who invested in their business early on and developed their skills and business knowledge and marketing expertise to where clients happily line up to pay them premium prices that they're now charging today. Okay, that is everything I have for you right now. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to let me know by hitting the like button, and for the best tips on building a web design business you love, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button to be notified of new content dropping on my channel every single week. If you're wondering what to watch next, be sure to check out these videos too.